Good morning. It's Monday, the 22nd of July. This is Pat McClatchy with our morning update for the Ag Market Network. We are looking at markets that are sort of mixed. Grains are down and cotton is up. We opened everything up last night, and then we started to back the grains back down some. There is some interesting news that we'll get to in just a moment. Before we do, we'll just say kind of a mixed market in global stock markets. The energy's up, the dollar's up, metals are unchanged. And there is a Bloomberg article here that I'm going to read from, just the beginning of it. And the title of it is Chinese Buyers Seek Tariff Exemptions for U.S. Farm Goods. And it starts off, the opening paragraph. It says some Chinese companies are applying for tariff exemptions as they make inquiries about buying U.S. agricultural products more than a week after President Donald Trump complained that China hasn't increased its purchases of American farm products. The applications will be evaluated by experts appointed by the Customs Tariff Commission, according to official Chinese news agency. China and the U.S. are implementing the agreement reached by Trump and President Xi Jinping when they met in Japan last month, the report said. So, and there are other things that have been said over the weekend from China that are positive toward doing business and trying to make more progress in trade talks. So that's a change. Now, that evidently was why we were up on Friday. Today, we've drifted back down. I think that if this is true, what we're reading, these markets will be supported. Even though they'll swing up and down, this will certainly be positive news. Let's go ahead and look at the markets, exactly where we are overnight. We've got December cotton right now, which last night got up to 63.98, is right now at 63.20, and that's up about 13 on the day, but it was quite a bit. Matter of fact, we were up about 30 to 40 about 20 minutes ago. Now, the grain market opened, soybeans opened up about a penny and a half last night, then sold off and got down about 8, and right now it's down 2 3/4 in November at 9.16 and a half, a high of 9.22, a low of 9.12 1/4. December corn down 5 3/4 at 4.30 with a high of 4.37, a low of 4.28. September wheat down 2 1/2 at $5, a high of 5.05 1/4, a low of 4.95 1/4 for September wheat. The crude oil market is up 61 cents a barrel at 56.24. The dollar up 9. Gold is unchanged. Silver up 2. And then we've got the Dow Jones Futures Index right now is up 47. So that's it. We are having positive news. If we can just get some follow-up on this, if the market starts to grip and move back up and follow us through today from Friday's strong days, then this could be the beginning of something that's positive. Of course, we need to get these trade exemptions lifted, and we need to actually see buying showing up. But what we're seeing now is something we haven't seen. So let's hope that we can see success in this area. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.